What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in previous video, I told you how you can find the index of the object, how you can find these index from these objects. So how you can do the reverse, how you can find these objects using these index. Let me show you. Simply, if you want to access any particular object, put these square brackets after the name of the list and type the index of the list. Let's say if you want to access this two, you know what is the index of this? Yes, it's 0. Now simply print it out. Save it. You can see that it gave us 2. Let's do it for the third index, which is 2. Save. You can see it is given thus 5. Okay, so thank you, meet you in the next tutorial.